Actually, the question is like this, children. We get in cubes and cube roots, 8th class. So children, in cubes and cube roots, 8th class, we have one question like this, children. What is the smallest number? What is the smallest number? What is the smallest number which is to be multiplied or divided to make it perfect cube? To make it perfect cube. To make it perfect cube. Okay, children? What is the smallest number that should be multiplied or divided to make it perfect cube? I'll tell 5, 6 sums, children. The remaining sums you have to do as homework, children. Okay, I'll tell 5, 6 sums. What is the smallest number which should be multiplied or divided? Suppose cube root of 81. Okay, children. If you perform the prime factorization of 81, 3 27s are, 3 9s are, okay, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So cube root of 81 we can write it as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, if you want to multiply, already one pair is there. So to make it one more pair, you should need two more 3's. To make one more pair, you need 2 more 3's. So 9 should be multiplied. 9 should be multiplied. No sir, I just want to divide means just to divide with 3. This 3 if you remove 3, this is a perfect cube. So if you want to divide with 3. If you want to divide with 3. But if you want to multiply with 2 3's. But if you want to divide with 1 3. Okay, children. So this is how we are getting. Now what happens? If you multiply 81 with 9. What you will get? 729. If you divide 81 with 3, what you will get? 27. What is the cube root of 729, children? What is the cube root of 729? So one pair of 3 will come and one more pair of 3 will come. So 9 is cube root of 729. Whereas what is the cube root of 27, children? Cube root of 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 is cube root of 27, like that, children. So what should be multiplied and what should be divided? If you put 2 more 3's, it will become perfect cube. No sir, divided means just remove this 1 3. So it should be divided with 9 or it should be multiplied with 3. It should be divided with 3 or it should be multiplied with 9. I hope you all understood, children. If you didn't understand, I will tell one more question, children. Please see here. One question I discussed. See here, one more question I will discuss. First one is over. So multiplied means 9. Divided means 3. Second question. Okay. So what is cube root of 128 should be multiplied or divided to make it a perfect cube? Okay. Pravalika, can you tell? Tell me prime factorization of 128. Pravalika. Two 6s, 2 4s, 3s, 2s, 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 1s. So cube root of 128, if you see, you have here one pair and here one pair. 2 into 2 into 2 is there, and again 2 into 2 into 2 is there, and again one more 2 is there. If you want to multiply, you have to multiply with how many 2's, children? 2 more 2's are needed. 2 more 2's are needed because already one pair is there, one pair is there. For this we have to create a pair. No sir, I want to divide means divide with 1 2. If you want to divide with 1 2. No, I want to multiply means multiply with 2 2's. Divide means divide with 1 2. Okay, so multiply with 4, divide with 2. If you multiply with 4, what happens? 128 into 4, 4 8s are 32, 4 to the 8, 9 to 11, 5 1 2. If you divide with 2, 128 by 2, what you will get? 64. What is the cube root of 512 and what is the cube root of 64? Cube root of 64 is what, children? 4. Because this is one time is there, this is one time is there. 2 into 2, 4 is the cube root. But 512 means one more pair will come, no, children? So one more pair will come. So 8 is cube root of 512. 4 is cube root of 64. Like this you should do, like this. Okay, so if you want to multiply, get one more, two more 2's. No sir, I want to divide with one more 2. That's all, children. Multiply with 2 2's, divide with 1 2. Multiply with 2 2's, divide with 1 2 to make it a perfect cube. I hope you are able to understand, children. If you still didn't understand, one more question will do, children. So multiply with 4, divide with 2. Okay, one more question, children. So what is the smallest number which should be multiplied or divided to 135 to make it a perfect cube? Okay, Hansika, can you tell prime factorization of 135? 5 2s are 5 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So what is the cube root of 135? 5 into 3.
5 into 3 into 3 into 3.
This is having a pair, but this is
3.
not having a pair. If you want to multiply, multiply with 2 5s.
5 into.
If you want to divide, divide with
5 by 5.
1 by 1 5. Okay, so if you want to multiply, multiply with 2 5's, that is 25. If you want to divide, divide with 1 5. Okay, if you multiply with 25, 135 into 25 is how much, children? 25 5s are 125, 25 3s are 75, 87, 25 1 2075. No sir, I want to divide means divide 135 with 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are. Okay, what is the cube root of 2075, children? 1 5 will come out, 1 3 will come out, 5 into 3, 15. 15 is cube root. And what is the cube root of 27, children? 3. Only 1 3 will come out. So 3 is cube root of 27. Okay, children. So here, if you want to make it a perfect cube, multiply with 2 5's or remove whatever 5 is there. Also remove that 5 also. Either remove this 5 or put 2 5's. Either remove this 5 or put 2 5's. Like that, children. Okay. No sir, we didn't understand. We want one more question. So we'll do one more question, children. Okay. Fourth question. 192. Sujit, can you tell prime factorization of 192?
Is it that 192 2
2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12.
2 4 8 2 4 24 24 2 6 2 3 3 1.
So what is the cube root of 192?
2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3.
So if you want to multiply, how many 3's are extra needed? 2 3's are needed. Or if you want to divide, remove this 3 also. So if you want to multiply, multiply with 9. If you want to divide, remove this, divide with 3. If you want to multiply, multiply with 9. If you want to divide, divide with 3. If you multiply with 9, 192 into 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 9s are 81, 82, 9 1 1728. If you want divide with 3, 192 into 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12. What is the cube root of 1728, children? 12. 12 is the cube root because 1 2 will come out, 1 2 will come out, and whatever 3's we kept, that also come out. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12. 12 is the cube root. For 64, what is the cube root? This 2, this 2. 2 into 2, 4 is cube root of 64. Either add 2 3's or remove 1 3. Either multiply 2 3's or remove 1 3. Multiply means 9, divide means 3. Multiply means 9, divide means 3. Okay, children? Like that. Next, fifth question. Cube root of 704. Who will tell prime factorization of 704? Surya? Cube root, prime factorization of 704. Can you tell? Surya, prime factorization of 704. 2 3s are, 5s are, 2s are. 2 1s are, 7s are, 6s are. 2 8s are, 8s are. 2 4s are, 4s are. 2 2 1 1 11 1. So what is the cube root of 704, children? One pair of one triad of 2 is there, another triad of 2 is there, but only one 11 is there. If you want to multiply, what we should multiply, children? Yeah, 2 more 11s we should multiply. 2 more 11s we should multiply. No sir, I want to divide means
Only 111.
remove 11 also. So 111. Multiply with 121. 704 into 121 you should do. Or divide 704 with 11. How much? 11 6 are 11 4 are. And 64 cube root is 4. And for 704, if you multiply with 121, you will get some number. What is the cube root of that number, children? 1 2 will come out. 1 2 will come out. And 1 11 will come out. So 2 to the 4, 4 11s are 44. 44 is cube root of this big number. Either multiply with 2 11s or divide with 1 11. Either multiply with 2 11s or divide with 1 11. Either multiply with 2 11s or divide with 1 11. Like that you should do, children. I hope you are able to understand, children. So you should be very, very careful. Okay. So if you want to multiply, multiply with 121. If you want to divide, divide with 11. Like this. Sixth question. 243. Cube root of 243. Prime factorization of 243. Sujit? 3 8s are 3 1s are.
3 27 3 3 9 3 1 3 1 3 1.
So what is the cube root of 243, children? 3 into 3 into 3
into 3
and 3 into 3. If you want to multiply, how many 3s are needed? 1 3 is needed. If you want to divide, you should divide that extra 2 3s. This is having pair, this is not having pair. So remove those 2 3s, that 9. Remove 9 or put 1 3. Remove 9 or put 1 3. Remove 9 or put 1 3. If you multiply with 3, 243 will become what, children? If you multiply with 3, 3 to the 9, 3 4 the 12, 3 729. If you divide with 3, 243 will what become what, children? 81. Cube root of 729 is what, children? Cube root of 729 is 9. And cube root of 81, 3 8s are 3 1. What is the cube root of 81, children? Is it 81 only? 240? Oh, divide with 9. No, I'm sorry, children. Divide with 9. 9 2s are 80. 9. So cube root of 27 is 3. So children, if you want to multiply this number, multiply with 1 3. No sir, I want to divide means remove these 2 3s. Like that you should do. Okay, one more sum. One more sum. So children, so many sums we can do like this, children. One more sum we'll do and we'll stop, and remain you to get homework. Okay, so cube root of 256. Okay, so 256 prime factorization. Sujit, 2 1s are, 2s are, 8s are,
8 are
2 6s are,
2
64.
64 2 3 1 2 8 2 4 2 2 2 1.
So what is the cube root of 256?
2
One triplet of 2 is there. One more triplet of 2 is there. And 2 2s are there. So if you want to multiply, you need one extra 2. If you want to multiply, you need one extra 2. If you want to multiply, you need one extra 2. But if you want to divide, you have to remove that 2's also. These 2 2's also. Divide with 4. Either remove these 2's or multiply 1 and 2. If you multiply with 2, 256 into 2 is 512. What is the cube root of 512, children? 1 2 will come out. 1 2 will come out, children. And one more 2 also will come out. 8 is the cube root. No sir, we want cube root of, if you divide with 256, if you divide 256 with 4, 4 6s are 4 4s are. Cube root of 64 is what, children? Cube root of 64 is what, children? 1 2 will come out. 1 2 will come out. So 4 is the cube root of 64. 8 is the cube root of 512. So children, 256, either you multiply with 1 2 or divide with 4 to make it a perfect cube. 256, either you multiply with 2 or divide with 4 to make it a perfect cube. When it becomes a perfect cube, you can see here. Okay children, So some homework sums also we will take, children, so that you can practice some homework sums. I am writing, children. Nobody is submitting any homework. Congratulations, children. I am very happy for your dedication and sincerity. No one, not even a single student is submitting homeworks. Okay, homework first sum 72, second sum 675, third sum 8640, 8640, fourth sum 392, fifth sum 2662, sixth sum 68600, 68600, 68600, seventh sum 1188, eighth sum 8th sum is 128. Already 128 we did, no? Okay, 128 we did, children. 2700. 9th sum 16,000. 10th sum, you have to do this as homework, children. Please copy down. 10th sum 900. 11th sum. Okay, 10 sums you do as homework, children. These are your homeworks, children. What should be the minimum number multiplied and subtracted to make it a perfect cube? What is the minimum number should be multiplied or divided to make it a perfect cube? What is the minimum number? This is the question. These are the questions. Please do and submit homework in the form of PDF, children. And those who are seeing the video, put the answers in comments, children. Please copy down the questions.